Hey, Frugal fam! What if I told you that I didn't spend a single extra dollar for an entire month and survived to tell the tale? Welcome back to Frugal Solutions Tips. I just completed the No Buy 2025 challenge, and today I'm spilling the tea on how it went. The good, the bad, and the broke but happy. Let's jump in. The rules were simple. No spending on anything non-essential. No takeout, no impulse Amazon buys, no new clothes. Just food, bills, and survival basics. 30 days, zero excuses, and trust me, it wasn't easy. Temptation was everywhere. But what I gained, in clarity, savings, and self-control, was worth way more than what I gave up. Here's what I stopped spending on for 30 days. Takeout and coffee runs subscriptions I barely used. Goodbye, 3 streaming apps. Impulse buys, those cute kitchen gadgets, not today. Clothing and skincare that I didn't really need. Cut to screen showing estimated savings $4.85. So, what did I do instead of spending? I cooked all my meals at home, brewed my own coffee like a proud caffeine scientist, shopped my own closet, found clothes I forgot I owned, picked up reading, journaling, and organizing my spice rack. Don't judge. Cutaway. Tip: add a pop-up. Pro tip: delete shopping apps during the challenge. This challenge taught me that most of my spending was out of habit, not need. I realized how much of my happiness isn't tied to stuff. And guess what? My bank account thanked me. Loudly. Quote graphic: frugality isn't about having less. It's about making room for more meaning. I won't lie. It wasn't all easy. Saying no to dinner invites and skipping retail therapy after a tough day? Hard. But the discipline I built? Priceless. After 30 days, I saved nearly $500, felt more focused, and even lost some emotional clutter. Would I do it again? Absolutely. And now, I challenge you to try the No Buy Challenge. Even just 7 days can shift your mindset. Comment below if you're up for it, or share what you struggle to stop spending on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more frugal life tips every week.